All right, the first thing you're going to do, my red raccoons, is read this passage 3 times. Make sure you draw 3 smiley faces to represent that. And then you're going to fill in the blank to complete the sentence. For example, the cat is, and you're going to say what the cat said. Remember to go back to your passage to find these answers. The second thing you're going to do today is to cut and paste. So you're going to look at the pictures here, and you're going to cut and paste these pictures that are made up of these compound words. So, for example, this word would be basketball. So, the 2 compound words that make up basketball will be basket and ball. So, this one would go here for basket, and this one would go here for ball. The third thing you're going to do today, I'm going to turn it sideways for you, is you're going to tap and write the words and mark any base words and suffixes. So, for example, I see 1 pen here. So, we're just going to write the word pen. But here, I see 3 pens. So, whenever I have 3 of something or more than 1 of something, I always add an S. Please make sure you use those handwriting lines.